Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 5 power 2x is equals to 125 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. If you want to try this problem and find the value of x, you can pause the video here and check out your answer at the end. So let's start with today's video solution. So here the base on left hand side is 5 and the power is 2x and on the right hand side it's 125. So we know that 125 is also a multiple of 5. So why can't we change it in terms of 5? So 5 power 2x is equals to 125. I can write it as 5 times 5 times 5. And in terms of exponent 5 times 5 times 5 I can write 5 power 3. Now, if we compare both left hand side and right hand side, we can see the base is common. So if the base is equal, we can write the power as well as equal. Now we have to find x, so we have to isolate it. To isolate it, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x is equals to 3 by 2 or 1.5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down your question. Thank you so much.